Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the touch gestures of your Huawei Freebuds SE. To do this we have to open the gestures and right here we've got the double tap and also the press and hold. So when you go for the double tap you can enable when there is a call, so the call option you can turn off. So right now we will be not able to answer or end the calls. And when we are not on the call, we've got the left and the right button. So we can, for example, switch to double tap to get the previous song, and on the left one you can get the next song. So we'll be able to switch songs thanks to this feature. And on the press and the hold on the either button, you can, for example, reject calls. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.